Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. First, just a few words on the gold market. Actually, the daily chart and the follow time frame chart shows no changes compared to what we have talked about in the weekly research. Most interesting information right now stands on the hourly chart mostly. So guys, as you know, today the Fed meeting will start, and taking into consideration recent positive statistics on the United States economy, well, we dare to suggest that maybe some at least shy hints will be given on the some positive assessment of the changes in the United States economy, or maybe this will give some very shy hint on the possible rate hiking, maybe in the end of this year, by the end of this year, and already these hints could be treated as positive signs for the United States dollar. That's why it seems that the positive comments from the Fed, whatever it will be, despite of the what degree these positive comments will be, they have more chances to happen. I mean, the positive hints from the Fed rather than the negative. That's why this probably will be mostly supportive to the United States dollar, and who knows how it will impact on the gold market, depending on how brave rhetoric will be from the Fed. Anyway, on the daily chart, as you can see, this retracement down back inside of the body of this engulfing pattern has become a bit greater than we have discussed in our weekly research. We thought that will be a bit higher, somewhere to this area, and then market should turn up. But as you can see, market shows a bit deeper reaction down to the downside. Still, as you can see, this low still holds, and it means that this engulfing pattern is still valid. By this action, gold still keeps chances on the possible upward action here. So until market stands above these lows, the upward action is possible. It's really a bit warning situation that market stands very close to these lows, and with the Fed meeting in our minds, it's really very fragile situation. So market really could drop here. But despite what action will follow, it will be mostly in a row with our expectation, because in general we mostly expect in the long-term perspective, if you remember, retracement to the 1160, 1180 area in the monthly chart. But how this retracement will start, it's not really important. So whether the hand shoulders will be formed, market starts move down, or it immediately will drop lower here, this will just change the overall patterns that market will follow, but the direction will be the same. Of course, if market will show the hand shoulders, this will give us more another opportunity for taking short position. But if market will drop here immediately, this will be a bit more sophisticated for us, and for those who would like to trade gold on the short side of the market. This is the only difference. But in the larger scale, in our major setup, our major point is the strategical point is the lows around 1180, 1160, where we will take the long position, long-term long position. But how market will move there, it's not really very important. It's just a question of the tactical step, whether we will get the hand shoulders to trade or not. That's the only difference. Besides, here we do not have any intention to trade gold on the long side right now. That's why, yes, we discussed this situation with this engulfing and so on, but personally, guys, I do not want to take the long position here. It's most interesting for me is the taking short right now, and to get the clear pattern. That's our major task. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you also see there's no big difference. Market just show minor action here down and continue move higher. Besides, guys, even for the hand and shoulders pattern, it's not really important whether market will start move higher right from this area, or by the Fed meeting market will drop to this confluence, will create the new lows. For example, it could form here even the butterfly. If the Fed will announce some positive information for the United States dollar, gold could drop even further. For example, it could form this butterfly, such sort of the butterfly, and in this case it will could turn up right from this confluence, 1298, 13 or 80 area. We just In this case, we just adjust the neckline here in this manner, right? But hand shoulder still will be valid and it's still possible. So as you can see, current tactical stop, especially with this engulfing pattern, is not really important even for the hand shoulders pattern. Just keep watching how it will turn. On the hourly chart, guys, we probably can't talk anymore on the hand shoulders that we have discussed here, because this drop is too significant and it can't be treated as the right shoulder anymore. But as I said, as market still stands above these lows, this butterfly, this bullish pattern is still valid. So just keep an eye on what will happen on the Fed. I think that's not really a good idea trying to take the position before Fed meeting will be over. As you can see, market right now shows the upward direction and has reached the weekly pivot point and natural support resistance area, but action is very choppy. It's not some kind of frosting action. It's not the reversal that should be typical for the hand shoulders. It's mostly some kind of the minor bounce here. That's why I think that it's really big chances the market will form something else before the real reversal will happen. So, and just keep watching what will happen on the Fed meeting. If Fed really announces some supportive US dollar measures or something will give the hint on the rate hiking that situation is improving. In this case, keep watching for this butterfly. Only after that, market really could turn to the upside. At least if you would like to take the long, gold on the long side, wait for the Fed will be over. If Fed will nothing supportive for the United States dollar, then probably market will continue with this butterfly. In this case, you could trade this butterfly. So this currently it's all about the Fed, guys. But don't be upset if market, for example, will drop here below these lows. It doesn't mean that hand shoulders will fail. It just could start from just another point. Until market stands relatively close to neckline, to this area, so hand shoulders has the chance to be formed. That's why we're currently do not totally deny this opportunity, even if market will form this butterfly instead of that butterfly. So that's our current view on the gold market. Currently, we're technically mostly following the technical step on the possible upward retracement, since it currently could start differently. But we call you to take the trade on this retracement if you still would like to trade gold on the long side, only when you will get the clear pattern and when the Fed meeting will be over and you will get the answer on the question how particular this upward direction could start. But on the larger scale, guys, we actually do not care much about how market will reverse down here with these hand shoulders, without these hand shoulders. For us, this major point, as I said, is rare area around 1160, 1180, where we have the strategical point for long entry. If we will get head and shoulders here, well, that's nice. We will get the opportunity to trade it on the short side of the market as well. So let's just keep watching and just get some bit more patience and wait for a clear pattern.